Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Zoho Desk, a powerful help desk software. We'll cover everything from initial configuration to advanced features, ensuring your customer support operations run smoothly. This guide will help you streamline your ticketing system and enhance customer satisfaction. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to deploy a robust support solution for your business, improving efficiency and customer experience. First, let's get your Zoho Desk account ready. After signing up, you'll want to configure your organization's basic information. This includes setting your company name and contact details. Next, personalize your customer support portal by adding your company logo and favicon, ensuring a consistent brand experience. You can also customize the portal name. Don't forget to establish your business hours and set up service level agreements, or SLAs, to define response and resolution times for tickets. Now, let's connect your support channels. Zoho Desk allows you to integrate various communication methods like email, phone, chat, and social media, centralizing all customer inquiries. For email, you'll forward your existing support address to Zoho Desk's default mailbox. Next, leverage automation rules to streamline your workflow. These rules can automatically assign tickets, send notifications, or update statuses, reducing manual effort. You can also create canned responses and email templates to ensure quick and consistent communication with your customers. Finally, let's organize your team and empower your customers. You can add support agents and group them into departments like customer support or billing to manage tickets effectively. Each department can have its own unique processes. Develop a comprehensive knowledge base with articles and FAQs, allowing customers to find answers independently and reducing ticket volume. Lastly, utilize Zoho Desk's reporting and analytics tools to track key metrics such as response times, resolution rates, and customer satisfaction, helping you continuously improve your service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.